Hello everyone. In our previous video, we discussed very basic concepts in SQL. That is, what is data, what is information, what is database, what is database management system, what is RDBMS, why we are preferring RDBMS, and what is SSMS. All these things that we have discussed in our previous video. Now, in this video, we are going to learn basic commands in SQL. Okay, I mean SQL commands. What are they? There are five SQL commands are there. DDL. This means data definition language. Next D next DML, that is data modification language. Next DRL, that is data retrieving language, and DCL, this is data control language, and final one TCL, this transaction control language. Okay, these are the five basic commands that we will be using to create to create the tables and modify the tables and retrieving the tables. Okay, and these are the first three ones that we are mostly using as in the consideration of data analysis part. And these are the two mostly used by database admins, I mean database data control language. And this can be used mostly in collaborations where we'll be using commit, rollback, right. And let's see one by one. In case of DDL, that is data definition language, we will be having uh, different commands in DDL, like create, alter, drop, and truncate. These are the four commands that we will be using in DEDL. I mean, for creating tables, and to modify the tables, I mean the names, column data types, will be using them. And drop is used to delete the entire data as well as the structure as well. And I mean drop can be used to delete any objects that we use to store the data, right? And then truncate means it just deletes the data, not the structure. The structure will remains there. Next, now DML. In case of DML, we'll be having only inserting data. I mean insert, delete, and update it. Okay, these are the three commands that we will be using in the data modification language. That is inserting the data, and updating the data, and deleting the data. Now DRL. This is just a retrieving language that we use to select command as the basic one. And DCL, this is the data control language, like in order to get the permission from the admin, we'll be giving grant, and if they don't want, then they will be revoke it. And TCL, this is the transaction language, transaction control language. This is main commands that we'll be using is commit and rollback. Commit is to notify that the changes have happened and that has been saved. And rollback, if you don't want to keep that as changing, then you have to do that as rollback so that it won't change. It won't save as changed one. Now checkpoint. Sorry, save point. It will be saved. Okay, these are the uh, basic commands that we will be used in SQL commands. Okay.